Now see children, construct a quadrilateral. Rough idea I have given. MIST, when where MI is this, I is 6.5 centimeter, angle M 75 degree, angle I is this, and angle S is 120 degree. So now you can see here. First I have drawn I is 6.5 centimeter. Then afterwards what I have drawn, suitable radius and draw an arc. Then intersecting point you are getting, so draw an arc. Then again 60 degree you will get, okay. Then here, so here you will get 120 degree, and a ray you will draw. So you will get 120 degree angle. So angle S is 120 degree. Now see here I. So again I have taken suitable radius, center, draw an arc. Okay. Now intersecting point you will get on I as this, draw another arc. 60 degree you will get. Again draw another arc. 120 you will get. Now we want 105 degrees. So what I have done, I have drawn bisector of this. So one arc, and center is this, okay, second arc. So in this way 90 degree dotted I have drawn here. Okay, so this angle is 90 degree. Now we want 105. So 30 degree, rest of 30 degree arc is this. So again I have taken bisector of this. Okay, so suppose that this, draw an arc with this and draw an arc. Okay, and join this. So what you will get, here is 90 plus 15 degrees, 105, and join Y to I. So angle YIS is 105 degree. Okay, now afterwards MI is given 3.5 centimeter. So radius 3.5 centimeter I have taken, and rounders needle and draw an arc. So MI. Okay, now we have to draw angle M. Okay, so for angle M what we will do, again convenient radius will take, so and 15 degree, so 60 plus 15, 75. Now from M we have to draw 75 degree. So take suitable radius you will take, and then draw an arc, another arc, you will get 120. Then same way you will draw bisector of this. So and dotted line you will join, sorry. So you will get 90 degree. Then 90 degree when you will draw, so this ray will intersect this arc at here. So what you will do, again you will draw bisector of this. So 60 is here and 15 is here. So you are getting 75. Then intersecting point you will join to and extend the ray Z, which intersect SX at T. So MIST is your required quadrilateral, you can see. Okay. Now for steps of constructions, first what we have done, draw a line segment with the help of ruler. Draw a line segment, length with 6.5 centimeter. I is equal to this. Now for angle A is 120 degree. ISX is equal 120 degree. Second step, you will not explain the process how you have formed. Okay, so only then draw angle SIY 105 degree. Okay, now by taking radius 3.5 centimeter, I as a center draw an arc which intersect ray IY at M. So MI equal to 3.5. Now draw an angle ZMI is equal to 75 degree. This which intersects SX at T. So MIST are required quadrilateral. Okay, now let us start exercise 4.3. MO equal to 6 centimeter, OR 4.5 centimeter, angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, angle R is equal to also 105 degree. Okay, now see, for that what I have done first, 6 centimeter, sorry children, 6 centimeter I have drawn here, MO, and then by taking suitable radius M as a center, draw an arc, and arc, this line segment, arc is intersecting this line segment at this point and from here and joined. So you will get ray MX. That means this angle we got 60 degree. Now forming 105 degree angle O is 105. So by taking suitable radius, draw an arc. Now arc is intersecting this line segment at this point. So from here draw another arc, then another arc. So this arc, the measurement of this arc is 60 degree and this arc is also 60 degree. So 60, 60, 120, but we want 105. So what we will do, we will draw bisector of this because 60 we want. So now this is half of 60 is this, and half of 60 we are getting 90 degree. So with dotted line we will join this. Okay, now again we will get intersecting point on this arc and half of that we will draw, then we will get 105 degree. Okay, now you can see the 60 degree and a bisector I have drawn. So dotted line I have shown P, OP 90 degree. Then this intersecting point here you can see on this arc we are getting. Again this is the 30 again. So again we have drawn the bisector of this, you can see here, and joined. So this is the 60 plus 30, 90 plus 15, 105 degree we are getting here. So here you will write, and then draw, join O to Y. Now O to R we can draw. So what we will do, R radius will take 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc on that point. We will get R. Now by taking radius 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc. So you will get OR equal to 4. Okay, now afterwards what you will do, see here, angle R we have to draw 105 degree. So R point you got, suitable radius, you will draw an arc. Arc will intersect this ray at intersecting point, you can see. Now another arc. So you will get 60 degree. Again draw 60 degree. Now this is 60. Now 30 and You know how we can draw the 105 degree. So bisector, you can see bisector I have drawn here, from here and here. So 90 you will get, but dotted line we will join, and more again bisector we will get 105 degree. Okay, now you can see I have joined R2. So perfect 90 degree you are getting. 60 30 again, this and this bisector I have drawn on this here. Now it is 60 plus 30 90 plus 15, because we will join this. So total 105. Extend it and extend it. The intersecting point you will get, and you will get complete quadrilateral. Okay, so when you will draw half this, you will get 15 degrees. So 60 90 and 15, you will get complete 105 degree. Now what you will do, you will extend this ray. So RZ, the ray is you are getting, and extend this X ray, MX also. Both the ray will intersect at a point E. So MORE is your required quadrilateral. You can see in this way. So steps of construction: draw MO, line segment MO with the help of ruler and measurement 6 centimeter. Form an angle XMO 60 degree and MOY 105 degree. Now O is a center, and by taking radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc which intersect a ray OY at R. OR equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now form an angle ORZ 105 degree which intersects ray MX at E. Quadrilateral MORE is our required quadrilateral. Okay. Now second question, children, you will do yourselves. Now PLLA. So LA you will draw. If rough diagram I am explaining you, suppose that LA 6 point. Okay. Now LA, so angle L is not given, A is given. Angle A is 110. So 110 is not a multiple of 15. So with the help of rounder you will measure 110 and draw here. Now what you will do, you will add this all the angles. So you will get the sum 285. And 285 you will subtract from 360, because we know the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So 285, so you will get 75 degree angle L. So with the help of rounder you can draw 75 degree. So you will get angles, and then from here A to L, P to L 4 centimeter you can draw, and P 90 degree you know with the help of rounder. Okay, so in this way you can do. Now parallelogram HEAR, HE equal to 5 centimeter. So here also I am explaining in angle EA. So suppose that parallelogram, rough figure we are taking HEAR. So HE 5 centimeter, but angle you can't. So opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. So first we will draw HE 5 centimeter and 85 with the help of rounder. It is not the multiple of 15. So with the help of protector you will 85 degree you will draw. Okay, so you will get HEX. Then from E, HE this, and from E to A you can take 6 centimeters. So A point you will get Now from A, opposite angles are equal, so what you will do, you will take sum of these, subtract from 360 and divide answer by 2 and angle H with the help of measurement you will draw. So you will get this because opposite angles are equal. So you will draw with the help of protractor, draw angle, and then you can get your parallelogram. Now rectangle. In rectangle we know that every angle is, measurement of every angle is 90 degree. So this I am explaining. OK equal to 7 centimeter and K equal to 5 centimeter. So this I am explaining to you. Okay. Sorry. Now you can see here, first I have drawn a line segment OK is equal to 7 centimeter, and with the help of rounder what I have done, I have taken a suitable radius, draw an arc, and that arc is intersecting line segment at a fixed point. So from here, so 60 degree, from here again 60 degree we are getting, so 120. Now but what we will do, we will draw the bisector of this. So here, so bisector you can see same way what we have done, because we know in rectangle each angle is 90 degrees. So here 60, 120, half of this 60, 30. Okay, now what we will do, we will join this line, and from K, opposite sides are equal in parallelogram. So from the point K, A, 5 centimeters given, we can draw. Okay, now afterwards taking 5 centimeter radius KA, see here A, opposite sides are equal, so we will get KA and quadrilateral name is Y. So what we will do, Y here, so we will draw it to Z. Okay, now steps of construction. First, draw a line segment OK equal to 7 centimeter by taking help ruler. Now form angle O is equal to 90 degree and angle K equal to 90 degree, because we know that in rectangle each angle is 90 degree. Now by taking radius 5 centimeter and K is a center, draw an arc which intersect ray KZ at A, and we know that opposite sides are equal. So by same radius, by taking same radius O as a center, draw an arc which intersect ray OX at Y, join A to Y, OK AY is our required rectangle. Okay, now 4.3 finished. If you have any query, you can ask me in the group. Okay.